with Riley's appointment, and now we actually are at Great Wolf Lodge with the kids and John's family. Everybody else was eating dinner. Riley was having a really rough time, so we came back to the hotel room. I'm about to give her her meds and try to get her to sleep, but I figured I would do a hotel room tour real quick. Okay, when you first come in, to the left is this huge bathroom, and then there is a sink area with a fridge and a microwave. And then there's the TV and TV and Colton's pack and play that he's gonna sleep in. And then there is 2 beds right here. Sorry about the lighting, there's no light for right here. And then there's a table and a couch that pulls out, and another TV with a fireplace. And then there's this nice balcony out here. Then upstairs there is another bed with a TV and a little vanity with a sink and a half bath, and that's about it. Super nice. We're super happy and grateful to be here. It's a little weird with the pandemic, but still super nice. This is to celebrate both Colton and Riley's birthday because his mom, grandma, and sister aren't going to be able to come down for the kids' birthdays next month and a half. So yeah.
Wins 500 tickets. Wins 500 tickets in the Connect 4 bonus round. Be the first one to stack 4 blue or
Riley, are you ready to go swimming? Colton!
She flipped all the way over. Take a bite.